If you are broke and you want to make some money, don't start a business. Too many people want to start a real company with zero money, but it's impossible. If you are looking to start a business without any money, you will fail every time and you will never become successful. I remember myself when I started my business journey where I was at the point where I needed to invest some money to start a business. But since I came from a scarcity mentality, from a middle class family, I was really concerned about this and it was really hard for me to invest money to start a business. I had no trust, I had no faith, and I didn't believe in myself. And I have seen the same problem between a lot of people, but understand that it's impossible that you can start a real company, a real business without any money, because every real business needs something to get started, because you cannot live your life by just answering to surveys online all day, every day, because you need something real, you need a real asset that provides you money even if you are not working. Maybe if you take 1 week of holiday, you need to come back and have your money there. You need to earn some money while you are away from your business. And by doing this, you need to invest some money at the beginning. And in this video today, I'm here to share with you how you can make quick money using Facebook Marketplace in order to earn some cash to reinvest to create a real business that it provides you with real cash flow and real connections with people. And I will give you the exact strategy where you can start making high profit, because maybe you are thinking that you just sell some pen and make $2 or $3 profit, but with this strategy you can make hundreds of dollars of profit every day. And maybe it's not really sustainable because it's not something that you can do every day of your year, and maybe it's not the best thing to do for you, but it's one of the best ways on how you can earn your first money on Facebook Marketplace in order to start a business in the future. And if you know Gary Vee, you know that Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, flipping stuff on Amazon is one of the best way to earn money, but because of the satisfaction that it gives you. Because when you take an item, maybe you paid $10 and then you flip it and you sell for $30, it's an incredible amount of value of difference. And if you flip from 100 to $300, it's a great level, and then you can scale this business. For example, with cars, you can buy a $1,000 car, maybe fix a little bit of stuff, create good pictures, good images, everything amazing, and then post it maybe for 2,000 or 3,000, and you will see that people will buy it, because at the end, if you give a good product with a ton of value, with images, everything really clean, everything really good, you will see that people will buy it. And let me share with you these 3 important steps that you need. The first one is to look around into your house and into your room and find items that you have not used on the past year. Because if you have not used something for the past year, it means that you don't need that item. Not in winter, not in summer. It means that you don't even know that you have that item. So if you're gonna sell it, you will not feel bad. So look around into your house and collect from 10 to 20 items that you don't use. So now you will end up with some money. Yes, are not already money, but are stuff that are valuable, are stuff that you can sell for money. And then go online and just estimate the price of every item, so you have an idea of the amount of money that you have there. Then take this item and list them on Facebook Marketplace, on Craigslist, on all these sort of website, so you can sell your stuff and earn from $100 to $1,000. But it's not just here. So let's say that now you have $500 to invest in this type of business because you have sold your stuff, but maybe $500 are not enough to start a real and successful company. For example, I invested thousands of dollars to start my company, but I'm going to show you exactly how you can multiply that money. So now it's the time to go on Craigslist or some other similar websites and find for stuff that are valuable, but they really has a low price. There will be a ton of sofa, a ton of stuff that people just give out for free, or maybe you pay just $50 for maybe a great chair, and you will find amazing deals. So you can take a lot of stuff for a really low price, and with $500 maybe you can take $1,000 or $1,500 worth of value of stuff. So now you have more money sitting around your house with all these objects. And now you need to go on Facebook Marketplace and promote all these products. Take great picture with great light, editing the picture, because the picture is everything. And if you post a really great picture with a great title and great description, maybe with a little bit of copywriting skills, you will see that your product will gain a ton of value compared to the other stuff, because people are lazy. People go on Facebook Marketplace and they post maybe their chair with just chair and then chair made of wood, and this is a simple description, a simple title that is not eye-catching, and people will not give a ton of money to that person for that chair. But if you write a green vintage chair made of this type of wood, maybe created in this year, and all this information, your product will get a ton of value and will become more valuable. So people are able to spend more money for that product, even if it was the same on Craigslist, maybe listed for $100 less. But it's because of the branding, it's because of the image that you create for the customers. And by doing this, you will see that a ton of people around your local area will contact you and ask you information and if they can buy that product, because they see that it's something different, it's something high quality, and they don't know how much money you paid for that item, but they know that that item is valuable. And you keep doing this selling, flipping and earning money, maybe while you reach $2,000 or $3,000 or $5,000. So now you have real money to invest to start a real business. It can be a social media marketing agency, it can be a drop shipping, it can be Amazon FBA, it can be your YouTube channel, it can be maybe a food truck business, something that is a real asset, a real business that can provide you with money, with clients, and with a real business plan. And if you want to know what are the 7 traits of successful people, I have created a PDF completely for free. You can check out, it's in the first link on the description, where I share all the 7 traits that are in common between successful people. Click the first link on the description. And then if you are looking for another way to make more money without any skill, watch this next video right here, where I show you the best strategies on how you can make money today without involving any skill. I see you there.